Well guys, today is gonna be absolutely amazing. You see there's a bunch of exotics behind me. There's race cars over in the distance. There's some being worked on over there. There's a full pit full of cars. And the guys over at DreamRacing are gonna hand me the keys to whichever one of these cars I choose, and we're gonna whip it around Las Vegas Motor Speedway. So right now, let's head over to the pits. Let's check out a few more of these cars, and let's figure out which one we're gonna drive. In addition to all the cars that are in the distance over there, we got a ton of other stuff. Huracan, Gallardo, GT3, we've got a Cayman GTS. There's a bunch more over here. Let's go take a look. This is just a regular Stingray. They've got a Z06 in the front. They've got an Audi R8. This is a V10. And there's a GTR. Now the awesome thing here about DreamRacing is that you can kind of get in, feel and touch the car, figure out which one exactly you want to take around the track. Right here, I mean, come on. Who doesn't want to get into a, you gotta help me with this guy here. Okay. Thank you very much. Right at the top of the handle. Awesome, thank you so much. All right. Let's check out the Audi R8. This is a brand new R8 V10 Plus. We're inside. What a beautiful car. The Alcantara headliner and then the awesome gauges. We've got the V-Box here. And at DreamRacing, they've got these awesome cameras set up, and you're gonna see those in a minute when we take one of these cars around the track. We'll of course have the footage so that you guys can see exactly how good or how bad my track times were. So we have the LP550 Gallardo, but come on guys, we gotta go check out the Huracan. This is arguably one of the best supercars for the money out right now, and I bet this would be probably one of the most fun racing experiences, as far as a car that's somewhat civil, but when you take it around the track, it's likely a monster. Let's check this guy out. Here's the start button. Everybody's shown you this before. You gotta lift up the latch before you can turn it on. Otherwise, we've got our awesome Lamborghini gauges here. We have the dashboard that when we turn this on will come to life. Everything is so exciting, so I'm ready to go pick one of these guys out, but I'm still not sure which one I'm gonna drive yet. Another really great thing here is we're gonna go inside the Gallardo to talk about this. If you look in these cars, okay, besides their camera equipment, there's no foot pedals for the instructor. So basically, this car is completely controlled by you. They actually said that they don't like to have any sort of control over the driver because it can get in the way of what you're feeling and almost make things dangerous. Besides the instructor giving you guidance, it's just you. It's amazing how much freedom they really give you if you think about it. All right, this is just too tough for me. There's so many amazing cars here, I can't figure out which one to drive. So I've narrowed it down to 3. I post them on Instagram, and I'm gonna have you guys choose for me. 458 race car is choice number 1. The second choice is the Ferrari F12, the super mean, super fast V12 Ferrari. Or we've got the Ferrari 488. It's supposed to be one of the best driving cars from Ferrari ever. Those are your 3 choices, so you guys let me know and drop a comment in the comment section below. Out of all the cars I've shown you today, which one would you take for a spin here at DreamRacing? Well, we're gonna wait a few minutes now, and you guys are about to choose what I drive today. The experience begins in the main lounge. Once you've figured out the car or cars you want to drive, you check in and it's off to the classroom for a quick video tutorial.
And welcome to DreamRacing.
Following the video, it was off to the simulator room. This setup mimics your car of choice on Las Vegas Motor Speedway. With a lot of guidance from my instructor JT, I was consecutively able to shave seconds off each lap and learn the road course. The simulator was absolutely key in making for a full experience out on the track.
Nice and easy right side. Right there we go. Be patient here. 30, keep trying. 60, 80, full throttle, straight wheel. Right side, upshift. 100% gas exit. Good. Wait forward and possible. Upshift. Nice job. Stay right side. Upshift one more. Picked up 3.5 seconds out loud. Very good pickup. Brake hard, stay on it. Downshift, harder, harder. Downshift, stay on brakes, off the brakes. See, you still bled off a little bit. Full throttle exit, 100% gas, right side. Stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. Brake hard, downshift. No brakes, no gas. 10, little gas, 20, 40, 60, full throttle. Stay on it, look down wheel, upshift. Nice job, all in the right side. Upshift one more, 30 seconds more picked up there, nice job. on, downshift, downshift, stay on the brakes, stay on the brakes, stay on the brakes, off brakes, just turn, and you use that gas 100%. In the 458 GC race car, they're carbon ceramic brakes. So you have to really have the manhandle the brake pedal side to get that car to slow down. So that's where you got you a good rhythm here of on the brake, more brake, more brake, more brake, and then you'll hear me say no brake. So then that's when you want to release it. But instinctively, what you're doing up here, as soon as you come off brake, you want the intensity going gas. Now it's going to hurt you. Now with a race car, trust the grip. Like I said, you have more downforce, more aero in the car, plus the racing slick tires. So that's going to help you out a lot just on the overall mechanical grip of the car. Now you just got to be temperamental on when do I add that throttle, and that is easier by of course up here you're a little quick on the wheel. That cures itself. Honestly, same thing. You have to feel just how touchy the gas and brake is. That's why I tell you, just give me 3 or 4 corners out there. You get comfortable with the car. Feel those responses out. We'll keep building off of that. Just like here, every lap there's towards the last 3 or 4 laps, I kept telling you, got quicker, 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 and you became smoother and smoother on it. And that's the crazy part. Sometimes you have to slow yourself down to go faster. It is crazy to think that concept, but we try to tell people, it's like, wait, you want me to go slow to go fast? Yes, I mean, essentially because you're smoothing your inputs, and that's all it comes down to.
Since we chose the race car, it was time to suit up before going out to the track. That's right, you guys overwhelmingly chose the Ferrari 458 race car.
We put about 500 PSI right inside that little jack.
Okay.
You just stick it in, and it's got built-in air jacks, and it lifts the whole car up. So that way when they pull in for the pit stop,
okay, it's
instantly
quick
on jacks,
yeah.
And they can hit the tires, do any maintenance.
And so, how are we going to warm the tires?
With this, these are like tire wraps.
Okay.
They have electrical coils inside.
Oh, okay.
So then I wrap them around the tire and you pull them tight. And then the generator powers it, and we use it at like 194, 195 degrees.
There's no messing around here. This is the real deal.
Yeah, with these cars, if you send them out on cold tires with the racing slicks,
they're going to spin.
Yeah, it's pretty much like driving on ice.
Yeah, amazing. Absolutely amazing. So it's like blankets for your tires.
Yeah, basically. It's like an electric blanket.
Look at that.
Except it gets very, very hot.
Very hot.
Alright, so it's all yours.
Alright, let's head on down there. Do it.
JT was amazing, but I'm sorry, JT, the car was a little bit better.
It happens, it happens.
This was the most incredible automotive experience I've ever had. To be able to drive a 458 race car around a track and be a total novice and feel pretty much like a pro, I think that's what these guys are all about. I can't thank DreamRacing enough for having me out here. If you are ever out in Vegas, you need to check them out. And I will go one step further and say take the trip out to Vegas just to try this out. There's nowhere else I've researched, period, that offers basically what they offer here in the United States. If you have any questions about what I experienced today at all, drop me a comment. I will definitely check it out. I want to let you guys know because, again, this is something I've only thought about, and finally taking the plunge to do, it exceeded all my expectations. Thanks a whole lot for watching, and I will catch you very soon.